How to log in to your Fortiva credit card account. If you also got the credit card account of Fortiva, then in this video let me show you how you can log into it. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get right into the video. Search for Fortiva credit card login, and once you search for this, you can see the first result, which is from the website of my Fortiva. So just click on this link and it's going to take you to the login page. Now firstly you need to type in the user ID in the first box and then type in the password in the second. If you don't remember either your username or the password to your account, you can click on the forgot password or username link and then you can follow the steps to recover your user ID or your username and then your password. And lastly, if you want this device to remember your username, the next time you log in, you can check this box. But avoid doing this if you're not using your personal device. Once you fill in both of these information, just click on sign in, and if the details that you entered are correct, you'll be successfully logged in to your credit card account of Fortiva. So that was the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos just like this.